See, we have already calculated the amount of reinforcement required for upright slab, and we already know that at midspan we need reinforcement on outer face in the form of horizontal bar like this on outer face, and near support we need reinforcement on inner face. We have already calculated the amount of steel required and spacing at bottom and also at 5 meter, and it is calculated for 1 meter height. Now there can be various type of there can be various type of detailing. Now there can be various type of reinforcement detailing, and let's see one of the simplest possible detailing. Now this line indicate the center line of a counterfold. So it is reinforcement at outer face only for midspan section of upright slab. Now we know that reinforcement for bottom portion spacing is 10 mm diameter at 155 millimeter center to center. So we can have 10 mm diameter bar at 155 millimeter center to center. This distance between the bar will be 155 millimeter center to center. Now, as per the codal requirement, whatever stitch we provide at midspan, 50% of these must be continuous in the support. And that's why for achieving economy, 50% bar are not provided up to support. They are contained. They are provided for length equal to 0.7 L. Now here we are providing separate bar for outer face and separate bar for inner face. So alternate bar, one bar is straight and second is in the form of extra bar, which is having length 0.7 L1. L1 is the center to center distance between the counterfold. So in this way, we can maintain the spacing of 10 mm diameter at 155 millimeter center to center. Now we will maintain this spacing up to some height, let's say 2.2 meter from the bottom, and we have already calculated the bending moment at 5 meter from the moment at 5 meter from the top will be less. Why? Because the pressure there will be less, and that's why bending moment will be less. So there the spacing is larger, 10 mm diameter bar, 230 mm center to center. So similar pattern is used. One bar is straight and second bar is provided for 0.7 L distance, so that some economy can be achieved. So this is the reinforcement on outer face. So on the bottom, 10 mm 155 mm center to center, one bar will be straight and second will be in the form of pieces 0.7 L. Now for bottom 1 meter portion, as you know here, the bending moment is large because of large pressure. But if you consider at some other height, bending moment will be less because of lesser pressure. So we design at a bottom and we design at 5 meter. At 5 meter spacing will be large. So 5 meter, 230 mm center to center, one bar straight. Then second in the form of pieces, third straight like this on outer face. So this is the detailing done. This can be one of the way of detailing, and it is of course on outer face for positive bending moment corresponding to PL square by 16. Hello.
Yes, sir.
हेलो,
यस सर।
हाँ सुरू आहे की बंद आहे?
सर सुरू आहे.
सुरू आहे ना. अच्छा, मला शंका होती सुरू आहे की.
सर आवाज कटत आहे.
मध्ये थोडा बदल होतो, हे लक्षात आलं तुला?
सर आवाज कटत आहे.
बर, आता आवाज येतो?
नाही सर, मध्ये मध्ये कटत आहे तुमचा आवाज.
बर, ठीक आहे, मी प्रयत्न करतो आता, नाहीतर मग मी रेकॉर्ड करून तुमच्या ग्रुपवर टाकून देऊ, समजा जर नाही व्यवस्थित झाला आता तर.
ओके सर.
एकदा प्रयत्न करून पाहतो, नंतर नाही जमलं तर मग मी रेकॉर्डेड तुमच्या ग्रुपवर टाकून देऊ.
यस सर.
फिगर दिसत नाही का? हॅलो हॅलो,
यस सर.
फिगर दिसत आहे तुम्हाला आता?
हो सर, दिसते.
हाँ. Now just we have seen the reinforcement detailing on outer face. Now let's see the reinforcement detailing on inner face. Now at the bottom, if you consider spacing to be 10 mm diameter at 1.7 center to center, it can be rounded to lower values, say 1.15 millimeter center to center. Now 50%, say 50% bar will be provided 0.15 L on left hand side, 0.15 L on right hand side, and 50% bar will be provided for length equal to 0.3 L on left hand side and 0.3 L on right hand side. This is as per the specification. So we will provide reinforcement on inner face in the form of bars, extra bars, 10 mm 115 millimeter center to center. So like these bars can be provided. Similarly, if you consider the reinforcement at upper height, then we know bending moment is less, the requirement of steel is less. So we can provide 10 mm diameter at 170 millimeter center to center. So instead of providing all bar of same length, some bar will be longer and some bar will be shorter as per the codal provision. So whatever we have seen for two-way slab or one-way continuous slab, same detailing will be applicable. And many a time, in spite of instead of going for economies, sometime what is done? See, we need for support 10 mm at 115 center to center. Forget about economy. We can straightway provide total bars of 10 mm diameter for 115 millimeter center to center mesh on inner face, and on outer face we can have a mesh for 10 mm diameter bar at 115 millimeter center to center.